Okay, I can do it on camera. Fireworks show.
Is it recording?
Yes. I don't know why they're doing it on literally July the 11th.
Mike. Can you see Jordan? Can you see it?
Yes, sir. By the end, when it ends, it's gonna go crazy. I'm serious. When it ends, it's gonna go crazy. Wow. That's so amazing.
And record more than off.
Why not? My storage is not even close to full. Wow. That's so cool. Wow. Wow, dude. Woo! Wow. Alright, it's about to end.
How many minutes you got on?
150. What type of firework is that?
Stop at 4 minutes. Yes, then record it.
Dad, that's not gonna work because I can't send 2 videos at once. Plus my iPad storage is not even close to full. Okay, to my end, to my end. Dude, it looks like the sunlight. It looks like the sunlight. It looks like there's sunlight. Oh, even though it's literally raining, it doesn't lose the big thunderstorm. It's just most cooler than ever. Wow. But I still don't understand why they're doing
See
it.
it, Jordan?
Well, I don't know why they're literally doing it on July the 11th, 2026.
Mike,
It's supposed to be
Mike.
July 5th or July 4th.
Mike.
What is happening?
Mike, it's still July. They're gonna be doing this for the whole month.
No, they're not.
Are they supposed to?
Not supposed to. Or they'll get arrested. I'll tell you that right now. Oh, wow.
Why do they arrest people for doing it?
Because it's out of the time limit. And I don't know. It's just a stupid law. Wow.
So you're saying we have to wait almost, it feel like 2 years before July, and we can't even pop fireworks for the whole month?
Yeah. It's the law.
Why can we do Easter egg for like the whole year and all that other stuff?
Because fireworks are explosive. Easter eggs are not.
Okay, but still, it's going into the sky.
Yeah, some fireworks don't, and they switch your ground. Dad, remember that firework that literally almost killed me? You know that firework that's like literally a bomb.
You didn't run away in time?
I did. Luckily I did. Okay, so as I was saying, and there's literally a firework that almost killed me either. Another one. Because how in the world would a firework that doesn't even move on the ground go straight into the air flinging right towards me?
Because y'all probably didn't do it right.
No, we did it right.
Then why was it flinging towards?
Because fireworks sometimes malfunction. That's all I gotta tell you right now.
How fireworks malfunction?
When the bombs are not built right and they're not built to explode.
They're not built to explode.
They're going fast now. Oh, wow.
You see it, Jordan? Like the sky right here.